Okay guys, so just got up here to Ford. Gonna get ready to drop the car. I don't know how long this process is gonna be. That's what I need, a mask.
It was running, it cut off.
Huh?
It was running, it cut off, but it set it down a little bit after you set it down.
Okay guys, so I dropped the car off on Tuesday. It's now Friday now. I wanted to make an update to tell you guys how long this all should take. At the body shop, it should take like a week and a half to 2 weeks from what the guys tell me in the collision center over there at Ford and the paint and body shop over there. And at the where I'm supposed to get my top done, which is Alabama Top, is they supposed to be one of the best or whatever. They worked on like Ferraris and stuff like that around like in my area or whatever. They told me it should take like them a week in all to get that done, so probably max would be like a month until I get the car back, maybe less than that. Hopefully it just take just 3 weeks. Yeah, I just wanted to make an update video tell you guys like where the car is, like where it's gonna be at and how long it's gonna take. So yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching and staying tuned like with the build and stuff like that. It's only up from here. Yeah, and I love to leave I like to leave some encouragement in each like one of my videos. Alright guys, so the positive message that I want to give you guys on today is that it's not your external circumstance that cause you to succeed or fail. It's your internal circumstance that cause you to succeed or fail, which that means that, you know, it's a mindset. Like everything is a mindset. Like if you can say everything around you could be failing and you like, dang, you don't see how it's gonna work out, you don't know how it's gonna work out or whatever, but you got to be willing to keep going, like regardless. Like you gotta keep thinking forward, you gotta keep moving forward, you gotta keep putting one step in front of the other, brick by brick. You gotta keep moving. So regardless of what's going on around you, you still gotta get up and keep moving. Don't let what's going on around you stop you. You gotta tell yourself that you're gonna get past it, you're gonna get through it no matter what it is. So you just gotta keep putting one step in front of the other. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully you got something from this. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.